actually trusting his intuition to run a real, authentic, scriptless call. These are all questions that he knows. If I ask that, I might find some pain. If I ask that, I might find some cost. If I ask that, I might find some consequence. If I ask that, I might find some impact. He is premeditating, pre-planning, premeditating what he's going to try and ask to go randomly fishing, hoping that if he casts out enough lines, he'll find what he needs. The problem with that is you could cast out 100 lines, but the one line that you didn't cast, which you would have known if you'd have truly tuned in, is where the real gold is. That's the first problem, is trying to play the game of like hedging your bets doesn't actually work, because with conversation, there's an infinite number of directions the conversation should go. And if you miss the right direction, you won't get the real gold. That's the first problem. The second problem is it's not true. It's not being authentic. It's not actually caring about the prospect. And the universe doesn't reward people that are not being authentic with connection between the closer and the prospect, with trust between the closer and the prospect, and with someone handing over their credit card to you and giving you money. The prospect could either feel this consciously, or it could be completely unconscious, or it could be nothing to do with the prospect and just true divinity, that you don't get things that you don't deserve in life. If you cannot be bothered for you to ditch the scripted questions and jump out the airplane and put the parachute on the way down and have trust and surrender and let go and be in service and channel from God or whatever you believe, the real connection with the human being, you don't deserve to make more money, and therefore you won't make more money. That is the spiritual, divine laws of reality, and they play out in sales as well. If you're going to go scriptless, you have to go real scriptless, not ditching the tangible piece of paper script, but having all the questions memorized in your head and just firing out different scripted questions. It won't work. It's all or nothing, both from a spiritual point of view, true surrender, truly letting go and having a real conversation and trusting that you and the prospect will know what to ask and what to talk about if you're fully present. You cannot half-ass scriptless selling, which, by the way, is the most powerful benefit of scriptless selling. When you fully surrender to scriptless selling, you will change your identity like nothing else, because you truly have to believe in yourself and your divine potential and some type of spiritual channeling to go fully scriptless. And when you actually give it a shot and it works, you're like, holy shitballs, look at my potential. When I trusted in myself, I had faith, I had trust, and I believed. The most powerful thing in the entire universe is what? Is faith, is true belief, regardless of the outside world, regardless of external circumstances, for you to find unshakable faith inside yourself. Scriptless selling is a divine portal for you having that faith. And when you unlock that faith inside yourself, the universe will completely change in your favor. Like they say in the Matthew principle in the Bible, to he who has everything, full faith, full trust, full surrender, full submission, full devotion, everything shall be given. To he who has nothing, I need my script, even if I don't have the piece of paper, I've got all the questions in my head, he will have nothing, he or she. How many deals have you already lost this week that you could have closed but didn't because you were out of state? I'm not a fan of sales hacks, but if there was one thing you could do before your next sales call to raise your closing percentage, it's using my patented pre-call checklist. Imagine taking just 60 seconds to read 5 to 7 personalized bullet points on a piece of paper, and as unbelievable as it may sound, puts you into the optimal state to access your highest sales skills on every call. That's the pre-call checklist. I'm going to show you how to create your own. All you need is a piece of paper and to go through the training that I'm going to give you. Thousands of salespeople have used this framework to close more deals, and you can have your own for free. No strings attached, in a matter of minutes. Click the link below this video, enter your email, and grab it right now.